Stronger cyclones and rivers changing their course frequently. Stronger cyclones prevailing more than 7,000 km coastlines and 10,000 above coastline kilometers. Frequent El Nino years are negatively affecting Indian monsoon El Nino by changing rainfall pattern along with causing frequent droughts. This has adversely affected groundwater recharge. This has adversely affected groundwater recharge. Wetland, both coastal and terrestrial, adversely affected groundwater recharge. Wetland, both coastal and terrestrial. Climate change has resulted in melting in Himalayan glaciers. It has potential of making the Himalayan rivers swell fast and then turning them into seasonal rivers. Making Himalayan rivers swell fast, threatening the source of fresh water. It can also lead to saltwater intrusion on aquaculture, coastal agriculture. The impact has been severe also because India is still an agricultural country with a large population being dependent on weather-related livelihood through agriculture, forestry, pisciculture. Still an agricultural country with a large population being dependent on weather-related livelihood through agriculture, pisciculture. Agricultural country with its large population being dependent on related livelihood through agriculture, forestry, pisciculture. Agriculture, forestry, pisciculture. Large population being dependent on other related livelihood through agriculture, forestry. Arctic Sea ice. The interests of Arctic Council nations may not coincide with those of the wider. Rates of melting of Arctic Sea. Arctic Sea is ice sea. Arctic Sea. For the strengthening of the countries, इंडिया का कर्ज 10 लाख करोड़ 80 करोड़ रुपए. So common person contest election. Students छात्र शिक्षित पढ़ रहे हैं भारत में, IAS बनना चाहते हैं. 1000 पोस्ट के लिए पागल हो रहे हैं. 5-10 हज़ार पोस्ट के लिए. हमारे भारत में 7 लाख सरपंच, 7 लाख नॉमिनी, 10% हर 5 साल में. ज़्यादा नकली. 4,000-5,000 MLA, 450 MP, फिर 400-500 लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल. बहुत सारी पोस्ट के लिए जहाँ पर भारत बदल सकता है, देश बदल सकता है, वहाँ पर कोई चुनाव नहीं लड़ रहा है. वहाँ रिक्रूटमेंट, एम्प्लॉयमेंट कोई. Arctic Sea disappearing has been known for decades. The underlying causes is believed to be global warming, brought about the greenhouse. Climatologists modeled that if the level of carbon dioxide, methane, and so on in the atmosphere continues to rise, Arctic Ocean will be free of floating summer ice. Arctic Sea ice is disappearing has been known for decades. Underlying cause is believed to be global warming brought about by greenhouse emissions. Climatologist models predict that if level of carbon dioxide, methane, and so on in the atmosphere continue to rise, then the Arctic Ocean will be free of floating summer ice by the end of century. At current rates of sinkage, by contrast, This looks like to happen sometime between 2020 and 2050. It has to be understood that Arctic is important for the world as any negative changes fragile phenomena around the world, like ocean current pattern will get affected. This will cause changes in weather patterns around the world. South Asian monsoon will be get affected negatively. Melting of the Arctic ice will change the chemical composition of the world ocean and can hamper the ocean dependent economic activities like pisciculture. Reduced ice over Arctic will affect the Earth's albedo, in turn increasing the insolation and heating of the surface. Obstacles. Arctic Council nations devising strategy for the exploitation of Arctic. Exploration and exploitation. Digging reservoir of oil and gas which can satisfy the energy demand of the nation. Therefore, before going in full swing, this country have to understand overall impact of these activities on the whole world. Satisfy the energy demand of the nations. Russia has a big reserve of oil and gas, but there, before going in full swing, shown the overall impact of these activities on the whole world. The monsoon will get affected negatively. Melting of the Arctic ice will change over Arctic, reduce ice cover. Earth albedo.